Hello everyone! So for today's video, let me share with you itong mga bagong skincare products na ita-try natin. Guys, is from Lana PH, and itong mga products na ito guys is locally made in the Philippines, all natural, non-comedogenic, and cruelty-free. What I love guys dito sa mga skincare products na ito, kaya gusto ko silang i-try, is yung kanilang mga K-ingredients na alam kong magiging perfect para sa skin ko ngayong mga panahon na ito. So I have guys a combination skin, normal to dry skin ako. So I really need itong mga K-ingredients na nandito sa skincare products na ito. And alam nyo ba guys, simula nung natutunan ko ang paggamit ng skincare, ang laki talaga ng improvement ng aking skin. And the usual routine lang naman na ginagawa ko is talagang nagdo-double cleanse ako. Gumagamit ako either ng facial cleanser. And then, after dun guys, kapag malinis na yung aking face, nagto-toner lang ako. And then after toner, gumagamit ako ng moisturizer and serum. So, ayun guys, yung aking usual routine. So, anyways guys, ito na yung ating mga products today. So, start tayo sa facial soap. Or pwede na rin to body soap na rin siya. Ayan. So, meron sila nito. Ayan. Meron silang tatlong variant nung kanilang face and body soap. Ayan. So, meron sila nung age-defying soap na merong goat's milk, bearberry, and vitamin B3. So, ayan siya. And ganito siya. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang age-defying soap. Ayan. And then, meron sila nung brightening soap. Ito naman siya. And this one naman is merong apple extract, vitamin C, and coconut oil. So, almost same. Oh, yung age-defying is color white siya, ganyan. And then, yung brightening naman is color pink. Ayan siya. Meron din siyang naka-engrave or nakasulat dyan na You Matter, and then Lana. And then, next guys is yung kanilang activated charcoal soap with activated charcoal, mulberry, and lemon. So, 120 grams ito guys. Ito naman yung tsura niya. Ayan. Ito, color black naman siya. Ito yung kanilang charcoal soap. And then, yung kanilang brightening soap, color pink. And then, yung kanilang age-defying soap na color white naman siya. So, ito yung tatlong variant ng kanilang face and body soap. And then, next naman guys is yung kanilang gentle cleanser. Alright, so ito siya. Ganda ng packaging. Color white lang siya. And then, dipump din siya. Ito yung Lana Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. So, ito is unscented with oat protein, niacinamide, and panthenol. So, ito is 180 ml. So, ganyan siya kalaki. So, ito is helps repair skin barrier and reduce inflammation. Keeps skin looking dewy, hydrated, and fresh. Gently removes dead skin cells. Soothes and softens the skin. So, meron din guys yung other information niya nakalagay dito sa kanyang packaging. Yung kanilang gentle cleanser is yung kanilang Lana Deep Hydrating Rice Toner. So, ayan naman yung kanyang packaging. Ito naman guys is merong niacinamide, witch hazel, and rice. So, 150 ml din ito. So, Lana PH Deep Hydrating Rice Toner. Deeply hydrates and prevents moisture loss. Helps fight acne and skin redness. Soothes and nourishes skin. Meron ito guys, niacinamide, which is talagang isa sa mga tinitingnan kong ingredients sa mga skincare. Kasi ang laki lang na itutulong niya sa mga post-acne marks ko and sa mga sunspots, ganyan. So, nakakatulong talaga siya pang palighten ng mga dark acne marks. So, naman guys is yung kanilang Hydrate and Luminate na elixir. So, ito naman has the Centella asiatica, niacinamide, and collagen. So, ayan yung kanyang packaging. Sobrang cute. And then, meron again siyang ganyan. And then, meron pa rin siyang pakahoy. Ayan. So, lahat guys ng mga kailangan nyo or kailangan nyo malaman about this product is nakalagay talaga dito sa kanyang packaging. Ayan. So, direction for use, mga ingredients, and of course, kung kailan yung kanyang expiration date. So, nakalagay dito kahit napaka cute ng kanyang bottle. Talagang nailagay nila yung expiration date. Importante yun guys sa mga skincare products na ginagamit natin. So, di-pump din siya. So, ayan. Oops! Ayan. So, very hydrating siya sa skin. Ayan. And, meron siyang scent na mabango in fairness. And, medyo relaxing din yung amoy niya. Love it. Ayan, kasi meron din siyang niacinamide and collagen. So, ito yung kanilang Hydrate and Luminate Elixir. So, I think ito yung kanilang parang pinaka-serum. And then, last one, meron din sila nung Lana na argan oil. 100% pure argan oil. Ayan. So, 20 ml siya, guys. Lana PH 100% pure argan oil is all-natural moisturizer, easily absorbed into the skin, high in vitamin E for a collagen boost, skin glowingly soft and supple, helps generate acne-damaged skin cells, reduces scars and hyperpigmentation. And ayun na guys, yung ating mga skincare products na ita-try ngayon from Lana PH. And guys, available sila sa Shopee and sa Lazada. And pwede nyo rin i-follow yung kanilang Facebook page na @officiallana.ph. And din sila sa Instagram, lana.ph, to know more about etong mga skincare products from Lana. And so again guys, ito yung kanilang mga face and body soap. Yung kanilang whitening soap, and then age-defying, and yung kanilang charcoal for deep cleansing, and kanilang facial wash or facial cleanser, ayan naman siya, and then yung kanilang deep hydrating na rice toner, dalawang hydrating na serum and moisturizer, yung kanilang argan oil as moisturizer, and itong kanilang hydrate and luminate na elixir as serum. So, ayan guys. Ayan na guys for today's video, and I'll update you guys for the next coming days. And again guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!